What's a strawberry patch without straw? Hi gardeners, it's spring here and today I'm mulching strawberry plants. I took the thick winter mulch off about a month ago and I've put a little bit of compost on top just to give them a little bit of a nutrient boost. And I'm going to be using some grass clippings from my ornamental grasses this year as a straw mulch. There's lots of different materials you can use for mulching strawberry plants. You can use straw, obviously, so the stalks of like a grain cereal plant. You can buy it in bales and you can also get it in smaller bags at the garden center. You can use pine needles, you can use grass clippings, you can even use like plastic sheeting. Even since I put the compost down, there have been some evergreen needles that have fallen from the trees above. But I am going to add some more grass clippings, just the stalks, the straw from my ornamental Karl Forster grasses. When I'm mulching strawberry plants in the springtime, I like to keep the mulch about 1 inch thick. With a 1 inch thick straw mulch, you're keeping some of the moisture in the soil, you're keeping the weeds down, but you're still giving the plants room to grow and not completely choking them in mulch. I do, as the plants grow, kind of pull it back from the crowns because I don't want kind of wet straw up against the crowns and making kind of a rot situation. The straw mulch can also protect the berries themselves once they start growing, so they'll rest on the bed of straw instead of right on the dirt, which if you've ever found a strawberry that's half rotten by the time you find it, it's so disappointing. So it's nice for them to have a dry straw bed to rest on. The straw mulch also helps keeping the rain and mud from splashing up onto the strawberries. So that's what I do for mulching my strawberry plants in the spring. Let us all know in the comments what kind of strawberry mulches you like to use. Do you mulch them over winter? Do you do a new mulch in the spring? Let us know what works for you. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.